Bastin, then, when you are hiring talents for your organization, for your team, what are some of the skill sets that you actually, expect among them to actually come with?
See, first and foremost thing, more than technical, I would say skill set is something which I can groom, right?
Mhm.
But the person's entire humble character and their ability to see a problem as a problem and ability to take your opinion as a feedback rather than offending statement, these two things are very. Then next thing is, like, you should have incremental learning mindset. That means you are more tech savvy. That's okay. I don't want tech savvy. You can be also, but I like you at least one new interesting thing you're learning every day. So I would say incremental learning is something important for someone. Second thing is, he's talking with clarity. I would like the one who is very strong in one skill set or one or two skill set, where he has meditated himself and completely devoted and mastered in it. And next thing is, whenever we are interviewing something, whether the starting till ending, he is having a clarity on what he's talking rather than putting lot of buzzwords and try to put a cycle to make the interviewer confused. We can easily identify someone who is going into a cycle. So I always say, when your mind is clear, you know exactly what you want to talk.